Hello friends, welcome to the channel, welcome Android crew. In this one we will be talking about how to sync your Outlook contacts on your Android phone. So easiest steps in this video. Syncing Outlook contacts on your Android means your work or personal contacts, like emails and numbers, are in your phone's contacts app, ready for calls or messages. It uses the Outlook app to pull contacts from your Microsoft account. First, grab it from the Google Play Store if you haven't already. After that, guys, you need to open the Outlook app, sign in with your Microsoft account, like Outlook.com or Office 365. After that, go to Settings, Apps, Outlook Permissions on your phone, and ensure Contacts is allowed. After that, back in Outlook, tap the profile icon top left, hit the gear for Settings, select your account, and toggle Sync Contacts to On. It's syncing now. And that's it, guys. Outlook contacts are now synced to your Android. Reach anyone, anytime. Love this? Smash that like, subscribe, and comment if you hit snags. We'll sort you out. See you in the next one. Stay synced.